What if instead of having irrational negative thoughts, you can have irrational positive thoughts? Do you think that is going to solve your panic attacks? I think it is actually the best way to make your mental health amazing. And there is a way to be irrationally positive, to be delusionally positive, and that is through destruction of your analytical mind. Because there are three parts of your mind: one is conscious mind, another is analytical, another is subconscious. Anything that you think, any mental imagery that you create is done by conscious mind. And there is this analytical portion of your mind that either rejects that thought, that either rejects that mental picture, or accepts and believes and surrender to that mental picture or thought as if it is the truth. If you simply can eliminate this analytical mind of yours, then all the thoughts, all the mental imagery that you create out of your conscious mind will go right into your subconscious mind. So for example, if you start to create an imaginal act where you are completely free from panic attacks, you are living an amazing life, your friends and family are admiring you, you are dating a new girl and she is complimenting you on how powerful and peaceful you are. You're saying to your friends, family, your well wishers, hey guys, you do not have to worry about me anymore. Imagine all of those mental imagery going right into your subconscious mind, and you are immediately programmed to be a very positive human being. You are no longer going to have any panic attacks, any anxiety, any worries, any concern, because you have now just become another person. Because everything that you see in this personal world of yours is a projection of your subconscious mind. Your physical body, your the health of your physical body, the life circumstances that you face in your physical reality is just a projection of your subconscious mind. This is the reason why yogis have been calling this three-dimensional personal world of yours as Maya. Maya means illusion, a magical lie, because they knew very well that whenever they upgraded their state of mind through meditative practices, their personal reality changed. Now, there is a way to destroy this analytical mind, and that is through Yoga Nidra. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman have been calling Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. When you do Yoga Nidra correctly, you're just putting attention on various different parts of your bodies one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation or a sense of sleepiness. That's when your brain will start to create these alpha waves and theta waves. Right now, you're watching me and your brain is producing beta waves. When you're super stressed and you're having panic attacks and anxiety, your brain is producing high beta waves. But if you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain will be producing this slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves, and you can imagine an amazing future for you. And all of those mental imagery are going to go right into your subconscious mind. You will be programmed to be an amazing human being. You will finally be free from panic attacks. So, starting tonight, do Yoga Nidra and start to create an imaginal act that signifies to your subconscious mind that you are now free from panic attacks. If you do this properly, the next morning you're completely healed. Now, if you want one-on-one coaching from me, personalized coaching, message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and also the pinned comment section down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.